Grade sevens, I'm going to give you a little bit of a lesson on the introduction to the 7 Years' War in North America, sometimes called the French Indian War. So I'm going to go onto my iPad here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So if you look at this map, it's got different colors on. The red or pink is owned by English. So that's the area up here. And then the English colonies down here. If you remember from the first video, Benjamin Franklin, he was in the English colonies down here and wanted to expand his territory this way. Okay. Then you've also got the French. They are gray here. So Louisiana and this area in here, Canada or New France. Okay, so I'm just going to X out of there. Oh, you also can see the Spanish lands, which are in blue. Okay. Now, before 1756, you've got the French and the English fighting over this area here called the Ohio Valley. Okay, and you've also got the First Nations in there as well. So they wanted to expand up here. They wanted to protect that. And then you've got the First Nations in the middle, trying to keep whatever they've got. The First Nations tended to side mainly with the French at that time, but some did side with the British. Okay? So you've got that going on as well. Now, the 7 Years' War was a worldwide war. It started officially in 1756, and it started over in Europe, England and France, Britain and France, and the war was fought all over the world. England or Britain was losing a number of the early battles, so they decided, well, let's try and attack some of the French colonies around the world, one of them being Quebec, okay, or at that time known as New France. So the British were going to attack two ways, one from the colonies by land, and then the other way would be through Louisbourg and then up the St. Lawrence River down to Quebec. Okay, and that was what started to happen around 1758, which is what we're going to talk about in the next video segment. Okay, I hope this was good for you and clears things up. I'm just going to X out of here. And stop my recording.